Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to talk and I am going to show my eyeshadow haul that I have done in last Black Friday. Along with that I am going to show you quick swatches of all the eyeshadows, and definitely I'm going to talk a little bit regarding each and eyeshadow. That yes, along with that I will also share that which one you can buy, which one you can skip, because definitely we don't need all these eyeshadows. So without further ado, let's just start this haul video. Let's start with my ColourPop eyeshadow palette collection. And yes, one palette is still in transit, but anyways I will put it in my Instagram in future whenever I get it. And definitely you need to follow me on Instagram to get all the updates of makeup. So the first palette from ColourPop is this glitter palette. I have named it as a glitter palette because there is nothing or no name written at the top of this palette. Let me show you the palette first. ColourPop has launched two type of this glitter palette. One I have it and the other one I have also ordered it, but that one is in transit, so I can't show you in this video. This is actually a 12 pan glitter palette, and you can see all these pans are removable like so, and you can see the name written behind it. So this is actually a customized glitter palette that has been launched by ColourPop, where you can grab all the glitter pan at one go, and I really like it. Now it's time for a small swatch clip where I will show you the swatches of this palette so that you can get the idea that how these glitters are in real.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never
These glitters can add +1 in your makeup, and definitely these glitters will look awesome on brides also. If you are a makeup artist or blogger or YouTuber, you can have it. Otherwise, if you are a person who just need eyeshadows on daily basis, then definitely you should skip it and you don't need this eyeshadow palette. The next eyeshadow palette is this, and it is named as Ménage à Moi. I hope I pronounce it right. I got this palette as a bundle with another palette. Let me show you the other palette also. So I got this both palette as a bundle, and there was some discount running on this bundle, so I just grab it. Now let me first show you this one and then I will show you this palette. So let me first show you Ménage à Moi palette, and it is basically a almost neutral kind of palette, and this is how the palette look like. It comes up with a mirror, as you can see, and these are all the shades. As I told you earlier that this palette is basically a very beautiful mauvey neutral kind of shades. If you are a person who is looking for something for daily wear, along with that you need to have only one palette that you can use it on daily basis and also on special occasion, then definitely you can try out this palette. And the shades on this palettes are really versatile, and it's going to look beautiful across all skin tone. So this is the second palette from ColourPop and I really love it. Now it's time for the swatches, where I'm going to show you the swatch of this palette, and you can see it. If you like it, then definitely you can have it.
when we say I never wanna look back and wish I could have been.
Moving on to the next palette that I got it in this same bundle, and it is named as Boudoir Noir. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know. Anyway, so this is the palette. It is again another beautiful palette. Palette is more on the browner side. Both of this palette is going to look awesome on all skin tones. So I think that if you have these two palette in your stash, definitely you don't need any other palette in your stash, because both of this palette you can use it on regular basis and also for any special occasion.
Got no regret the hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith.
Moving on, my next palette all from ColourPop, and that is Sailor Moon palette. Now this is a limited edition palette, and this one cost me ₹2300 including shipping, I remember. And I really like this palette. The packaging of this palette is really cute. Now this palette is little bit of beat kind of palette. The color story of this palette is not for everyone. I mean, if you are a professional makeup artist, and then definitely this palette you can make it work. Otherwise, I feel like this palette is really little bit tricky, because all the shades that are here are a little bit on lighter side, and that's why they are going to look good only on light to medium skin tone. I don't know, I particularly don't like the color story of this palette. I just bought it just because of the packaging. Otherwise, the color story is little bit boring, I would say. I personally don't like it, because these shades are definitely not made for Indian skin tone. You need to work little bit harder when it comes about working these eyeshadows. So yes, definitely I would not recommend you to try out or buy this palette. So yeah, this is my another buy from ColourPop. So now it's time for the swatches of the Sailor Moon palette. So you just go and watch the swatch and then come back and I will show you my next palette.
So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance.
Now next palette is Bye Bye Birdie. It is also another palette from ColourPop, and again a beautiful mauvish palette. The packaging says everything. It has beautiful pink, it has beautiful mauve, it has some glitter, shimmers, and definitely there are few transition shades. I really like the color story of this palette because all the shades are pretty good, and if you want to try out these eyeshadows for your office or for any occasion in your office, you can definitely try out this palette because all the shades in this palettes are very safe shades. This is the palette. Now it's time for the swatches, and you can go and check out the swatch of this palette.
Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
Moving on, my last ColourPop palette, and that is At Forest Side. Now this is actually a collaboration palette with Raw Beauty Kristi. Reason of having this palette is just because the color story is really impressive. I mean, just look at this green and this teal shade, and I really like the gold shade. You can use it for any occasion or any party, you can use it. Then comes this shade. I really like it. Has a very holographic kind of effect. The entire color story of this palette is really pretty, and if you like bold colors, then only you can have it. Otherwise, I will again say that if you are a neutral lovers, you don't need this palette. So this is the last palette that I have bought from ColourPop, and it is a limited edition palette. I don't know right now it is in stock or not, but keep your eyes on ColourPop website. You never know when they're going to restock it. So now it's time for the swatches of this palette, and you just go and check out the swatches.
I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
Now moving on to the next palette, and it is Morphe Tame G Glisten Up palette. Can you just see the holographic kind of packaging of this palette? It is a very sturdy cardboard packaging, and they comes up with a mirror, and these are the shades. The top row are shimmers and the last row are glitters, and I would again say these are again for the professionals or people who love bold colors. I really like to play with colors, and that's why I have it. All the glitters at the last row are really nice, and I love it. I just love it. So yes, now it's time for the swatches. So go and see the swatches of this palette.
Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't.
Moving on to another palette. Now I must say that this brand is one of my favorite brand, and I am still eyeing on few of their palettes. One palette I was eyeing from last 1 year, and finally I grabbed them during Black Friday sale from one Instagram seller, and that is Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. This is the outer packaging of the palette. I really like this packaging, and also the color story of this palette is again very pretty. This is how the palette looked like. This comes up with a mirror, and it has a dual end brush, and this is the Sultry palette. Again, a beautiful neutral palette. These are the one of the best eyeshadow palettes till now. In fact, I feel like Urban Decay palettes are also fail in front of this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I have 3 or 4 palettes from this brand. Now AV8 Sultry palette is a one palette that I would love to recommend you to try out, because this one palette you don't need to be professional to work with it. If you are a beginner but still want to try out some high-end brand, then definitely this AVH palettes are just awesome, and they are just fabulous because all the shades blend so easily on your eyes. They are super pigmented and they stays like 6 to 7 hours, and I really like this palette.
See it any other way, I know I gotta keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret.
The next palette is all from famous Huda Beauty brand, and now Huda Beauty is available in India. So the first palette that I'm going to show you is Huda Beauty Retrograde palette. Now I bought this palette pretty long back, and it was not on Black Friday. It was during the day when Huda Beauty launched their Retrograde palette on Nykaa website. I think there was some offer going on where if you buy this Retrograde palette, then you can get one full-size liquid lipstick free. So I think I grabbed that offer and got this Retrograde palette. So can you see the packaging? It is really sturdy. So let me first show you the palette. This is how the palette look. It comes up with this big mirror, as you can see, and these are the eyeshadows. Can you just see how beautiful, how pretty they are? It has almost all kind of shades. I mean, it has some neutrals, it has some blues, purple, golden, olives, and mint green also. I just love the color story of this palette, so I just bought it, and this one is easily available on Nykaa. So definitely, if you love it, you can definitely grab it from Nykaa. Now it's time for the swatches, where I'm going to show you the swatches of all the shades on my hand, so that you can have the idea how the shades are.
The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place, so take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith.
Moving on to my another favorite palette from Huda Beauty, and that is their nude palette. I got it from last Black Friday. Yes, they were having some discount, but this palette was not on sale. But I got this like 500 rupees off because of using HDFC card. So I just thought that is the perfect time to have this palette, because I know Nykaa is not going to have discount on this palette pretty soon, and that's why I need to wait a long to grab this palette. Now this nude palette is actually very good palette if you are a beginners, or if you are someone who wants to add neutrals in your makeup kit. So this is how the palette comes. It comes up with this big mirror, and this is how the palette look like. All these glitters are just awesome, girls. Let me tell you, I was not expecting them to be that much good. I mean, I have swatched Colourpop, I have swatched Morphe's also. The 10G palette that I have just shown you, it has some glitters, and this glitters a little bit chunky, and you can feel it if you rub your fingers like so. But these are just perfect glitters. I mean, they are not chunky at all, and at the same time they just stick to your eyelid. And these two shades, they are just awesomely pigmented. Now one more thing I need to share. I don't know why nobody has talked about it, or maybe I missed it. Okay, now there are 18 shades in this palette, but the fact is there are 17 shades in this palette, and one is a concealer base. This one is a concealer base. The reason of having this concealer base in this palette is just to make all the neutral shades in this palette to pop up on our eyes. So no matter whether you have medium skin tone or dusky skin tone, this palette is definitely going to work on your skin tone, because with this proper concealer base, all the eyeshadows are going to work perfect on your eyelids. So this is actually a very good thing that Huda Beauty have done with this palette. This is the first time that I get to know that they have this concealer base in this palette. Maybe I just keep this information part from anyone who have already shared, but just thought to share it from my end. It is a neutral palette, great palette. Definitely the price point is little bit high, but when it comes about quality, this is definitely worth the price.
So take a chance, I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
eyeshadow palette in this video, and it is a drugstore palette, and I was never expecting this palette to be good. We all know that how much we all struggle to get a good palette in India. Nothing is easily available in drugstore brand, but this brand came up with this awesome quality of eyeshadow palette. Everyone was going gaga over it. I was really skeptical and I was not ready to try out because I was not hoping that drugstore brand can be good, but yes, they just turned out very good. Now let me clear you one confusion. This palette definitely a drugstore brand, but this is not made in India, it is made in Italy. And I'm going to talk about Tan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. So if you are following this brand on Instagram, then you will know that this eyeshadow palette is one of their hottest selling cake in their website, and I was really eyeing on this palette from pretty long time. Finally I have it, and let me show you the palette. It comes up with this mirror and these are the shades. Again, a beautiful color story palette, and you can use it for all occasion. I mean, this one palette and you are just ready to go. It has some neutrals, glitters, and also some bold colors, so you can definitely experiment with the bold colors and you can use these neutral shades for daily wear. It has one black, and any palette that have one black eyeshadow makes that palette totally complete, because you can create smoky eyes, you can create any beautiful neutral smoky eyes or bold smoky eyes with that palette. So definitely it is a complete palette, as it has this black shade, and this black shade is very pigmented. Along with that, all the texture of the matte shades are really very soft. They are not like chalky. I have swatched them on my hand and I was really impressed with the quality it has. So now it's time for the swatch, where you can see the swatches of all these shades.
I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Finally, we have reached to the end of this video, and yes, it is a pretty long video and I hope you have seen it till the end. So these are all the eyeshadow palettes that I have bought during Black Friday sale. Few were in discount, where few were just on MRP. So yeah, that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video, or do you have any queries regarding any eyeshadow palettes or anything, then definitely I will reply you back. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, which means a lot to me. And yes, I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and stay safe. Bye.